Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, May 6th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have quite a few activities, as you do every Thursday. Let's see what you have to do. You will do an inference discussion. Remember, inference is taking what you read or see and putting it together with something you already experienced or you know, and you draw a conclusion. So you're going to read this conversation, and then you're going to answer these questions. You will read this conversation and answer these questions. You'll read this conversation and answer these questions. So here in the comment section, I want you to put conversation 1 and answer 1, 2, 3. They all are the same questions for each conversation. Conversation 2 and answer questions 1, 2, 3. And conversation 3 and answer questions 1, 2, 3. And post. Your next activity is in the textbook. So you'll do page 66 and 67, part 2. A is on 66 and B and C is on 67. So please make sure your pictures are clear and then I can actually see. Also, if you're not sure about the vocabulary words, please go back and double check. Okay, double check your answers. Your next activity is to read Spark, Enthusiasm, and Attitude. This is your first Spark article that I have given you for the month. Now, remember that you have to read at least 8 in order to continue to make your progress. Okay, many of you have made tremendous progress. I'm proud of you. Keep going. Here is your first article for the month that I have given you. Then you're going to do a deliverable on sequencing. So remember, we talked about sequencing earlier this week, and you've done 2 activities with sequencing. So this is your next one. You're going to watch this video, and then you're going to read the short article about the coconut octopus. And then you're going to write a paragraph talking about the steps the octopus takes to make shelter for using coconut shells. Okay, you're going to use the steps and then put it in a paragraph. And then you type your paragraph here in the comments section. Okay, and that's it for async. It's Thursday. That means we have class together on Zoom, and we are going to continue working on our essay. So we read the second article, and we'll take some time and develop our POV and read our third article. So my friends who have not read their first article, maybe you should do that. And that's it for today. Good luck.